How to fix WhatsApp video message not working issue. First, open Google Play Store if you are using Android. In the search bar, write WhatsApp. You see the WhatsApp app. If you see any update button here, tap on it. But if there is no update option, then close the Play Store and go to your device settings. Look for apps option, then tap on app management. Now scroll down a little and tap on WhatsApp app. Tap on data usage. If any of this toggle is turned on, turn them off. Go back and tap on storage usage. Now clear the cache. When everything is set, restart your phone. When your phone open, then open the WhatsApp app and try video message. And that's it. This is how you can fix WhatsApp video message not working issue.